what is the determinant of the following matrix? Now, you should be able to. But you can use the rule of Saris to do this as well, or cofactor expansion. So it doesn't matter. Let me see something. So I want to see if anybody can just do it and tell me what you get. Because you've already done a cross product, so you can do this. Somebody got it. $54. Anybody get it? Oh, he got it. Anybody else got it? It is, in fact, 0. I mean, if you want, you can say 2, 5, 7, 3, 6, 8, then. You can do that. All right. Everybody good?
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.